Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to find nearby people on TikTok. So let's head over to our TikTok application. And once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. And then tap on the three lines. Now go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and go to report a problem. And then go to interaction. And then go to follow. Go to others. Go to know and go to need more help. Now here, tap on interaction. I want to add people nearby me, and the TikTok will reply you shortly. So here TikTok is giving you to connect with people nearby. You can use TikTok's Find Friends feature. This allows you to sync your contacts to or search for users through their profiles. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't currently offer a feature specifically for finding people based on geographical proximity. So you have to use your Find Friends options to do that. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.